Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech and Tips with King. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can run Windows embedded 864-bit in your Android with using Limbo PC Emulator application. So let's get into the video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can run Windows embedded 864-bit in your Android with using Limbo PC Emulator application. So there are a lot of videos on my YouTube channel. In that videos, I have shown how you can run any Windows or any operating system in your Android apart from Android in your Android phone. Like I have run Windows in Android, the Windows different version like the Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, 8.1, 10, 11 as well. So there are a lot of videos on my YouTube channel you can check out. And I've also run Linux and the different versions of the Linux, Ubuntu, many OS I've run in Android phone you can check out. So that Windows are fully working, functionable. I've already made a lot of videos on my YouTube channel. In that videos I have shown how you can run any PC software in that Windows and how you can access internet. So if you're accessing Windows, if you're accessing internet, and if you can run any PC software in your Windows, so you can do anything same like the PC. Just we are running any Windows in Android phone with using Limbo PC Emulator application. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can run Windows 8 embedded 64-bit version. So you have to download two things. The first is Limbo PC Emulator application, the latest version, download in the description. I have provided the Telegram link. From that you will get in my group. In that group I have posted a lot of links of softwares and Windows I have providing, so you can check out and download from there. So you have to download the latest version of the Limbo PC Emulator application, the download in the description. And second thing, you have to download the Windows 8 embedded 64-bit version. So as you can see in this one, this is the file and it will be approx 6.5 GB. So make sure you have a lot of storage in your Android phone. And this is the fully working Windows embedded 8 version, 64-bit version. So this is the 64-bit version. You can do a lot of things. You can install very heavy softwares. So in upcoming video I try to show how you can install any PC software in this Windows. So let me just show you how you can run this Windows 8 in your Android phone. First of all, you have to open the Limbo PC application. And and one more thing I'm going to tell you, this Windows is supported by the internet. You can use internet in this Windows 8. So as you can see, this is the interface of the Limbo PC Emulator application. Now you have to create a machine. You have to click on the none, you have to click on the new, you have to create. But I have already created the machine 8 with the name of 8. So let me just show you what settings I have done in the Limbo PC Emulator application. So I have created the machine name with the 8. Now I'm going to show you all the settings you have to do in the Limbo PC Emulator application. So this is the user interface. As you can see in the screen, I have done all the settings here, and you have to get into the board and you have to select the PC machine type PC, and CPU model you have to select Sandy Bridge. As I mentioned earlier, this is the 64-bit version, so you have to select the Sandy Bridge. The Sandy Bridge is the 64-bit, and the CPU cores I'm selecting 6, and the RAM I'm selecting 2000 MB. It means the 2 GB of RAM enough for this Windows. And you have to make sure to enable MTTCG, and you have to uncheck the disable TSC. So this is all the settings you have to do in the board. And you have to scroll down and get into the disk A. You have to click on the open, and you have to select the file which you have downloaded. The downloading in the description. I have provided the Windows 8 embedded version 64-bit. So now you have to scroll down. You have to click on the boot from hard disk, because we have selected the file in the disk. And the scroll down, you have to get into the network. As I mentioned earlier, this Windows 8 supported by the internet. So in network you have to click on the user, and network card you have to select on the default. So this is all the settings you have to do in the Limbo PC Emulator application. After doing all the settings, make sure you are connected with the internet, because we are going to access the internet. Just click to play button. After clicking play button, it will showing booting from hard disk, as you can see in the screen. So you have to wait over here until the Windows 8 embedded 64-bit version has been booted in Android. In the Windows 8 embedded version boot logo appear in the screen. So here you have to wait until the Windows 8 booted. It will going to take a very short time to boot. So as you can see in the screen, finally the Windows Embedded 8 64-bit version has been successfully booted in my Android phone with using Limbo PC Emulator application. And as you can see, this is the fully working Windows in running in my Android, but this is in the other language. But let me just turn on the screen rotation, turn the Android phone so you get the better view. So as you can see in the screen, this is the Windows 8 embedded 64-bit version, but this is in the other language. But in my upcoming video, I'll try to show you how you can change language in Windows, any Windows. So there are a lot of Windows on my YouTube channel that have other language, and I'm going to make a video on how you can change the language. So it's a long process. So as you can see in the screen, the internet is connected over here in this Windows, and this is the fully working Windows. And as you can see in this screen, the time is perfectly sync. Let me just click on the start button. So there are not much preloaded softwares in this Windows embedded, and it will taking some time. So it will boot for very first time, but after a few moments it will going to work very fast. So as you can see in the screen, let me just get back to the desktop. And so as you can see in the screen, so let me just first of all open the file manager to show you how much disk it's having. So as you can see in the screen, there are about 39 GB. So there are a lot more storage for you to use to install any PC software. So in my upcoming video, I will going to show you how you can install any PC software in this Windows Embedded 8.64-bit version. So as you can see in the screen, this is the Windows 8 fully working. I think I don't need to show all the things in this Windows, because this is the fully working Windows. You can use by yourself and check whether it's working or not. If you have getting any bugs or problem, let me know in the comments. I try to fix your problem. So just now I've opened the Internet Explorer. It will taking some time to open because I've selected the less RAM, because currently I'm having very less RAM in my Android phone. But you can select more RAM. It's depend upon you and your Android phone. You can select more RAM, so it will going to work very fast. You can select the 3 GB RAM or 4 GB RAM. It's all depend on your smartphone specifications. And as you can see in the screen, I've opened the Internet Explorer, and the website is loading over here. So just now search the www.google.com in the search engine. Now let's see the website will load or not. So as you can see in the screen, the Windows in this Windows Embedded 8 version, the Google has been successfully opened. The internet is perfectly working. So as you can see in the screen, the Google is perfectly working, the internet is working. In upcoming video, I'll try to show how you can perfectly use and how you can install a Chrome browser in this Windows 8, and how you can install any PC software. So as you can see in the screen, this is the Windows Embedded 8 to 64-bit version running in Android with using Limbo PC Emulator application. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video. If you have any question or problem, let me know in the comments. Thank you.